Hello everybody, my name is Erin. Welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to be judging my girlfriend's taste in anime men. So, let's go. I would also like to add, I don't know some of these characters, so we're going to find out together. Okay, so first off is Joe from Skate the Infinity. I don't know this character, so I looked him up. Serious himbo energy. We'll do a rating 1 out of 10, with 1 being like chill and 10 being like what the fuck. Like himbo energy. Big himbo energy. Someone get this man a sports bra for those pecs. I'll give him a 2. He's pretty tame. That seems okay. Up next is another one I have not seen. It's Gon's father from Hunter x Hunter. Baby. Why? Why? I can't see a single redeeming factor on this man. It might just be because I don't like men. I mean, I can tell when they're good looking. He's not. I'm giving him like the 7. No, not a 7. No, yeah, 7. He's creepy. I don't like it. Armin from Attack on Titan. You know, I really loved Attack on Titan when it came out. I was in high school. And then it got weirdly anti-Semitic and my dumb Jewish ass was just like, no. I made like a good decision for once and I like just stopped watching it. But I remember Armin fucking coconut head looking ass. that haircut. I guess he gets better looking as the series goes on. I don't know. But like, no. From 1 to 10, with 1 being like okay and 10 being like what the hell, this boy is a strong 7. Next is Shikamaru from Naruto. Good choice. Not my choice, but good choice. I'm gonna give him a 2. Kakashi from Naruto. 2. He's beautiful. I get it. Everybody loves a man with severe trauma. That is all of Naruto. It's just people loving men with trauma. We can fix that? No. Sakura, you should have known better. I'm not even gonna go into it, but Sakura, you should have known better. L from Death Note. Very eccentric. I can't blame you for this one too much. He's okay looking. I mean, hey man, my favorite was Matt, and he was in the series for like, what, 2 minutes? I can't judge you on this one. So, 2. Next, Jalal from Fairy Tail. I have not watched Fairy Tail, so I didn't know this guy, but he's hot, and we'll take it. Yeah. He looks like a real asshole. I'm digging it. Yeah. But from 1 to 10, tame to weird, feels like a 6. A 6 I would still hit, but a 6. I'm joking. Alright. Now we have Gray from Fairy Tail. He's very plain. Like, and same face syndrome. They're not the same person, are they? Is that a thing in the anime? He's hot, but same face. I'd just rather deal with Jalal because I think he was prettier. Giving him a 2. Yato from Noragami. Yeah, I can see it. I think he's very plain looking too. But I guess his personality makes up for it. I've actually never watched Noragami, but I have a lot of friends who have, and they love him, and I respect their decisions. And give him a 3. Alright. next, and I think final. Nope, there's still 2 more. Yami from Black Clover. In some of the pictures, he's pretty hot. Call me crazy, but like for being such a small person, the big, huge body type to me is just not really my thing. I guess he's good looking. Baby could do better. I mean, yeah, she would make so. But anyway, he's feeling like a spicy 4.5. They've all been pretty tame, besides, you know, ones that were just weird and creepy. Itachi from Naruto. A solid choice. I'll respect you for that one. He's so pretty. That man is so pretty. And he deserves so much better. God. I say that like I actually finished Naruto. I didn't. It got really, really long and I was just... My ADHD was like, woo, bye. I don't remember what we were talking about. Oh yeah, Itachi. 3. Not bad. Not a bad choice. He's like weird enough to be interesting. Definitely don't go into it as a fixer-upper relationship though. No. Alright, last one. Lloyd Forger from Spy X Family. Yeah, he's good looking. Plain, again. It's kind of boring. 3. Like, yeah, he's good looking and all. He's conventionally attractive. I can't say that's anything I've really ever been into. But he's... I've not watched Spy Family yet, but he gives... I can't say that on YouTube. Anyway. I think my girlfriend can do better, and I feel like she did. Oh, baby. Y'all, I love my girlfriend. She's the light of my life. I think she's the perfect person. She's not perfect, but I think she's super pretty and I like her a lot. But anyway, I am happy to say that her taste in women is better than her taste in men. That might be fortunate, considering. Yummy. I keep looking at it. I don't get it. I don't get it. And God's dad? But anyway. Well, we have found out a lot about each other. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this bullshit. I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever it is for you. If you liked the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I am very inconsistent, but I'm trying my best here. So anyway, thank you so much. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Alright. I will see you in the next video. Bye! That one was from my girlfriend. Am I joking? Can I even keep that in this video? Whatever. Okay, I just had the stupidest thought, and that was like, did God even have a dad? Like, that was like one of the main plot points. Oh my God. Fucking Yami looking ass. I love you. Oh God.